Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another K-drama video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the 8 best Korean drama couples of 2020. One detail that can make or break a K-drama is the lead couples. Sometimes no matter how out of the world a plot can be, the leading actors just don't have that it factor together. Luckily, 2020 did not disappoint and offered several iconic couples. In no particular order, I'm gonna mention 8 K-drama couples that enhanced our heart this year. Number 1. Hyunbin and Son Ye-jin in Crash Landing on You. Perhaps one of the most beloved couples on this list is Hyunbin and Son Ye-jin from the TVN's Crash Landing on You. This star-crossed lover story starts when Yoon Se-ri crashes into North Korea while testing out her paragliding gear for her popular company called Se-ri's Choice. It's there that she meets the stoic soldier Ri Jo-hyung, who eventually takes it upon himself to protect her and get her back to South Korea unharmed. This drama charmed viewers from the moment it began, especially since fans were eager to see Hyunbin and Son Ye-jin reunite after their 2018 film The Negotiation. To say that Se-ri and Jung-hyuk had to fight tooth and nail for their happily ever after almost seems like an understatement. Their chemistry pulls you in throughout all the funny, angsty and romantic scenes that this drama has to offer. They left a lasting impression on our hearts and are surely one of the most iconic couples in K-drama history. Number 2. An Hyo-seop and Lee Seung-kyung in Dr. Romantic 2. A youthful couple that captured people's heart this year is An Hyo-seop and Lee Seung-kyung in Dr. Romantic 2. Their romance blossoms when they are both reassigned to work with Dr. Kim at Doldam Hospital. Cha Yun-jae, played by Lee Seung-kyung, has to learn how to overcome her nausea during surgery, while Seo Won-jin, played by An Hyo-seop, is a promising surgical fellow who carries a chip on his shoulder after leading a tough life. Both Yoon-jae's and Woo-jin's competitive and opposite personalities clash, but in the best way possible, with stolen looks, soft smiles, and passionate kisses. These two make sparks fly whenever they are on the screen together. Their chemistry is just amazing from the very first couple episodes, and they seamlessly fit into the fast-paced nature of this drama. Number 3. Jong Hae-in, Chae So-bin in A Piece of Your Mind. Jong Hae-in and Chae So-bin are perhaps the sweetest and least angsty couple of 2020. A Piece of Your Mind follows the story of a devoted artificial intelligence programmer named Moon Ha-won and a lonely but optimistic girl named Han Seo-woo. After bonding over the loss of their mutual friend Kim Ji-soo, the pair slowly fall in love while healing from their pasts. These two are akin to a warm cup of hot chocolate on a chilly day. Although the drama is shadowed by the loss of Kim Ji-soo, Seo-woo and Ha-won's chemistry makes it feel tranquil and warm. Even before they get together in the drama, they constantly look out for the other and make sure they are doing okay. They are tooth-achingly sweet and their romance is just like couple goals. Number 4. Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-yoon in The King Eternal Monarch. Lee Min-ho made his anticipated return to the small screen this year alongside Kim Go-yoon, and the pair captivated our hearts. The King Eternal Monarch tells the story of the ever-charming Emperor Lee Gon, who crosses over from the Kingdom of Korea into a parallel world of the Republic of Korea. There he meets the intelligent detective Jong Tae-yeol, who reminds him of the person who saved his life 25 years ago. Lee Gon and Tae-yeol's romance is a whirlwind. Both Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-yoon master the dramatics and passion of running into your lover's arm, among many other standout romantic scenes. Although the drama didn't do as well as anticipated domestically, the pairing still managed to dazzle many viewers across the world, just like mine. Number 5. Kim So-yoon and Seo Ye-ji in It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Of course, it would be a miss not to mention the incredibly beautiful Kim So-yoon and Seo Ye-ji on this list. Starring in the widely popular drama It's Okay to Not Be Okay, these two charmed viewers not only with their good looks but their insane chemistry. Kim So-yoon plays the closed-off Moon Kang-tae, a health worker who lives an unstable life while taking care of his autistic brother, and Seo Ye-ji plays the eccentric Go Mo-young, a children's book author with an antisocial personality disorder. The pair fall in love as they overcome the trauma of their childhoods. If there is one word that comes to mind when you think of this couple, it's healing. Despite the dark overtones of this story, it is just as magical and enchanting as any fairy tale. Kim So-yoon and Seo-yoji's chemistry melts heart through all their scenes, no matter if it is one full of tears, beaming smiles or steamy kisses. As an added plus, the pair also carves out the most precious family with Kangtae's older brother Sangtae, played by Oh Jung-se. Their story makes you laugh, weep and smile, and you really feel like they did live happily ever after. Number 6. Lee Joon-gi and Moo Chae-won in Flower of Evil. After working together in the 2017 drama Criminal Minds, Moon Chae-won and Lee Joon-gi delighted fans this year when they paired up for the suspenseful melodrama Flower of the Evil. In the drama, Moon Chae-won plays detective Cha Ji-won, who discovers that her husband of over a decade, Baek Hyo-sung, played by Lee Joon-gi, has been lying about his identity. To make matters worse, he is the top suspect for an unsolved murder case. Nonetheless, the pair navigate their way through the maze of the past and fight tooth and nail for a chance to a happy ending. Everything about this drama is fantastic. The plot, the suspense, but most importantly, the romance. This show wouldn't have left its mark if the leads didn't have perfect chemistry. Luckily, Lee Joon-gi and Moon Chae-won absolutely nailed it. They delivered amazing performances that crush and revive your heart over and over again. From their blissful scenes as a married couple to their tearful arguments as Hee-sung's lies spiral out of control, these two demand your attention until the very end. Recently, both actors teased working on a third drama together in an interview with Never Now Radio, so with any luck, we will be informed by them once more in the future. Number 7. Kim Min-jae and Park Hyo-bin in Do You Like Bahamas. While most of the couples on this list belong to the most fantastical of plots, Kim Min-jae and Park Hyo-bin charm viewers in the simplistic drama Do You Like Bahamas. The drama follows the story of a lonely pianist named Park Jun-young, played by Kim Min-jae, who takes a sabbatical as he untangles his relationship with the piano and his two best friends. During this time, he meets the quiet and tenacious Chae Song-ah, played by Park Hyun-bin, who began studying the violin later than her peers. The pair bond over their mutual understanding of having an unrequited love for their best friend, similarly to that of the famous pianist Bahamas and his friends Clara and Sichuman, and eventually fall in love. These two have a quiet and unspoken charm that carries them through even the most angsty parts of the drama. Whether it's cute ice cream smiles and kisses or intense spinning after a breakup, you can feel each of the characters' emotions as if they were your own. Kim Min-jae and Park Hyo-bin's chemistry perfect the will. They want the trope and they will keep you on the edge of your seat until the drama comes to a close. And at last, at number 8, Lee Dong-wook and Jo Bo-ah in The Tale of Nine-Tailed. Last but certainly not least is Lee Dong-wook and Jo Bo-ah in The Tale of Nine-Tailed. This end of the year drama packs a punch. Mixed with fantasy, action, thriller and romance, the drama follows the tale of a male Gumyo named Leon, played by Lee Dong-wook, and a producer named Nam Ji-ah, played by Jo Bo-ah, who seeks Leon out after recognizing him as a person who saved her life when she was younger. Their romance is both fantastical and fated, but they must fight to keep it alive as they become entangled in a battle with an emo kid, played by Lee Tae-ri. Their romance is nothing short of epic, which is expected given the genre of the drama. From dramatic umbrella scenes and swoon-worthy romantic lines, Lee Dong-wook and Jo Bo-ah's chemistry oozes off the screen. They are absolutely electrifying and are the perfect couple to finish out this year with. So that was it, guys. This video ends here. I hope you will like this video, and if you watched the video till here, just give a thumbs up to the video, guys. It really motivates me to make this kind of videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to Drama YT and click that bell notification, as you guys already know the YouTube rules. And yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you as well. It's called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's really been a pleasure.